Hi, today we're going to talk about how to make your YouTube channel stand out. I love that you've got a YouTube channel and that you're looking to grow that and make a great difference in the world. Happy to help you today to make that truly stand out. Hi, I'm Scott Wilhite, the Record Yourself video coach. Happy to help you today. Today we're talking about how to make your YouTube channel stand out. Now, today I'm going to talk about 3 great secrets that will help you with that, as well as one mistake. One mistake that you absolutely want to avoid. And it's a mistake that I made, and boy, was that a costly mistake. So let me just back up a little bit and tell you a little bit about this show. Like I said, I'm the Record Yourself video coach. I help heart-centered entrepreneurs who want to make a difference in the world and make and grow their business to be able to do that through the power of internet video. Now, I got to tell you, internet video is the way to go because it's so powerful, because you can, your customers, your audience can look in your eyes, they can feel the sincerity of your voice, and they can truly connect with you. So right now is the perfect time for you to have a YouTube show. And if your YouTube show that you are looking to grow is something that can help other people, I want to help you. I want to make the world a better place by helping you make the world a better place. I hope that's making sense to you, but I believe that that's the way to do this. So anyway, I love this quote by Mark Twain that says the 2 most important days in your life are the day you're born and the day you find out why. I hope that your YouTube channel is something that is going to help other people, and I'm happy to help you with that. So we're talking about 3 secrets today. First of all, I got to tell you about the big mistake not to make. Now, this is a mistake that I made, and it cost me a lot of money. And what that mistake is putting all of your effort into one great, absolutely amazing, beautiful video. So I did this, actually, I did a series of videos, but there was one primarily that just absolutely looked wonderful. It's a great video, absolutely stunning. It's called Falling Up. It's the true story of Meg Johnson and her discovering what life was really all about. She had to rediscover that because she was out jumping around in Red Rock country, accidentally fell off a 40-foot cliff, became paralyzed, but in the process of that, found true happiness. A beautiful film, but I put all of my effort into that, spent an enormous amount of money to create that looking the way that it did. And it was great. It did a good job. I remember it had been out for like 2 years and it had like 65,000 views, and I thought, well, that's decent. Until later I started paying attention to, these how-to videos that, like kids would put on showing you how to repair a lawnmower, and it would have 230,000 views. And I realized they are making a greater difference with these videos that don't have a ton of great quality, but they have the content people are searching for. And so anyway, I want to tell you these 3 secrets that you can use to make your YouTube channel truly stand out. Now, the first thing that I will tell you you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create custom thumbnails. I know it's really easy to just grab a frame from within your video and put it up there, but if you want your channel to truly stand out, you're going to want to create a brand. You're going to want to create this feeling that comes from that. With your custom thumbnail, I would also recommend that you stick with a color palette. Maybe the text is a certain color, or the background is a certain color, or something like that, so that people can easily recognize it and say, oh, I've seen one of those before and it was fantastic. And so they will stick with you that way. So if you want your YouTube channel to stand out, have it stand out before people even get to the show. As they're scrolling through their YouTube feed and they see it there and they're like, oh, I remember those. I really like those, and I remember how they make me feel, or what they teach me, or whatever is your message that's out there. How they help me eat better. Whatever is your message that you're helping people share. But anyway, so the first thing is create a custom thumbnail. Make sure that you have that so that each of your episodes feels like it's part of something greater. Okay, step number 2 is focus on providing value. Now, here's the really cool thing. YouTube is the 2nd largest search engine in the world, and it's owned by the largest search engine. Google, right? And so when people come to YouTube, often they're coming searching for something. So if you can reverse engineer, kind of figure out what it is that they are looking for, that they want, and provide value in a way that you can serve that to them through the information or the entertainment that you provide, then you're going to be able to help. You're going to be able to make that connection. But if you are, anyway, if you are providing value to where they recognize that they are getting something for free, through the content that you're creating, that's going to help you really stand out from the competition and the others that, maybe aren't doing that. But if you have something that you really focus on, here's the value that I provide. So, for me, I'm helping people live their purpose by sharing their messages through internet video. So whatever is yours. I mean, maybe you're into health and nutrition. Maybe you are into home repair. Maybe you are into dance or something and expressing yourself there. You want to really focus on what kind of value do you have? What expertise do you have that you can then share with others? Now, the third thing that will help you stand out is to be prolific. That means create a lot of content, not just one video, not just two. I put all my eggs into that beautiful falling up film. It was absolutely wonderful. I'm glad I did it. I really am. But it wasn't something that people were searching for. It wasn't something they were looking for. And then it was just a one-off kind of thing. And it cost so much money. It took so much time. I couldn't replicate that and create a whole bunch. So in order for you to truly stand out, create a lot of content. Be prolific. Create all sorts of content, regular content that you can send out there. And as you do that, as people start to stumble across you more and more, and YouTube will actually serve you out more and more if you have a lot of content out there, because they want people to stick with you, and they want people to stick with them. And if they are enjoying your content, that they're more likely, YouTube is more likely to keep you connected. So being prolific is this way of making yourself truly stand out. Yes, there are those one-hit wonders. There are those amazing videos that people will see and spread around, and those are wonderful viral things. But as I found, the people that are searching for content, they're searching for content every single day. And if you can give them that kind of value on what they're looking for and serve it to them in a way that connects with them, you're going to be more likely able to grow your business, grow your influence, and have your channel truly stand out, because people connect with that and they see the value that you have and the expertise and the vastness of that expertise. So as you do that, as you stay on target, as you stay focused and keep everything focused on what value that you are adding to your audience, you're going to find that they connect with you. You're going to find that you're able to grow your business, you're able to grow your influence, and it all happens through the power of internet video. Thanks for joining me today. If you're a heart-centered person who wants to make a difference in the world, video is the way to do it. I'm happy to help you get started. Click right here to take my Quick Start challenge, and you can get started today.